This brief video will walk you through the different kind of data that is available in Shopify. So we have this one report that we have set up already. It's called order report. Let's edit this. So I want to show you the actual data so you'll be able to understand it much better. So we have three types of columns. One is called regular column. So these are the data or the fields or the columns or whatever you want to call it that's available in Shopify. But there are other information that we think will be important for your stores. That we call it as derived column, and this is derived from the data that's present in these columns. And I'll show you a clear example so you can understand better. And there's a third column which is called static column, and which I'll explain a little bit. So when we say regular column, these are our regular columns. So you see the order number, the total price, and the order date. All of these are here in the regular column. So this is the order date, order number, and the total price. But we probably want a much more detailed report. So you want to know what makes up this 1290. If there's one product or if there's multiple products that make up this 1290. So for that, we need to go into the subtable. So this is the order, and if you break this open, you'll have this multiple subtables. So when you go to line item, let's say you select SKU. And you'll see here, there is 3 products that make up this 1290. But unfortunately in Shopify, we do not have the detail, the price detail of these 3 items. So that's when a regular column will not help us and where a derived column will help us. So there's multiple other data here which will be useful for you. So let's just use one field here which is called total price. So now you see the preview here. So you see that, so there's 3 items and $4.95, $4 and $3.95 which make up the 1290. So this is why a derived column is useful. And we see here these first 4 are regular columns and the 5th one is a derived column. And also let's say we want some other static column. This is a pretty simple way to show, let's say you want to add another column, but you want a static value for it. So let's say you want shop name and you want to call it as leather store. You'll see here, you'll see that there is order number, total price, order date, and SKU, which are all regular columns, and there's total price, which is the line item price, which make up these items, which is the derived column, and then we have the static column, which shows leather store irrespective of whatever the line is. So that's the differentiator between a regular column, a derived column, and a static column. Thank you.